Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, click subscribe, join the Kwak fam, turn on the post notification bell. The video it didn't even start yet. I'm already asking you to do all these stuff, so maybe you can do it after you watch my content. But anyways, I'm literally recording one video right after the other because I have maybe a little bit of time between me having to leave for work and then you know, a little time to record. So I'm wearing the same exact outfit. I just finished its makeup look right here. If you're curious, that has already been posted up before this. So yeah, alright, so don't come for me because I have the same outfit on, because it is literally the same day. Okay, so today's video, or this video in particular, I want to talk about this MixEasy face cream, which I did mention in the previous video. And by previous, I mean the video where I put this makeup on. And I just want to say, first of all, this is a company that contacted me and asked if I wanted to work with them. And they are definitely a unique formula. So they come in this little packaging right here. So first of all, they came in a box with nice, cute little pink little frillies. You know, those packaged nicely. But this is the package we're talking about. This is the product, alright? You can pick, let me backtrack. So, the company is called MixEasy, alright? M-I-X-E-A-S-Y. And they are a unique formula. And I'll get into that in a little bit. So, you can pick, I believe, 4 products. So, you can pick either a face cream, which is what I have. You can pick a face cleanser, which is most likely what I'll pick up next. And you can pick a shampoo and a conditioner, or get all of it. I don't know. Alright, so I got the face cream. And the really unique thing about this, and why they're considered a unique formula, is because you can pick your own ingredients. Alright, so hear me out. You can pick and choose your own ingredients. Okay, so basically that means I can choose whatever ingredients I want that will be tailored to my skin. You can pick up to 6 ingredients, and in my specific little formulation that I created, the ingredients that I chose is hyaluronic acid, blackcurrant extract, ginseng extract, and chinsia, I believe that's how you pronounce it, extract. If it's not, then, you know, I apologize. Babusa oil and parsley extract. When you go on their website, it tells you briefly what each of the ingredients you choose to pick, what they do for your skin, and why they're beneficial. And that way you can, you know a little bit of what you're putting into your little creation that you're making. For my skin, I do have dry skin, and I try to focus on things that help with dry skin and like wrinkles and anti-aging, looking youthful, supple skin, things of that nature. That's what I'm aiming for, because I'm getting old here and it's not like I'm that young. So that is my little formulation, targeting dry skin and wrinkles and all that stuff. Alright, that's my little thing. What else? You can also name your formula. So I named it Kirei, which is a Japanese word. It basically means like beautiful and clean, if you will. Kind of like beautiful and clean. So I kind of like that word combination. So that is the why. That is the why. That is the reason why I chose that name. You can also select your own fragrance. Now, if you don't really like fragrance in your face cream, face wash, etc., you can opt to have no fragrance in it. That is definitely an option. But for me, I do love like a citrusy, fruity smell. It's just something I gravitate towards. I'm not really a floral person. I mean, I do like floral scent. They do smell nice, but if I had to choose one, the more fruitier smell smells much better to me, So that is why I chose the fragrance Sunlight Dance, which is a citrusy, fruity smell. It smells very nice. It's not too strong. I mean, it's a very nice, light, fruity smell, if that makes sense. It's not overpowering at all. Now, if you look at the bottle, it comes with a cap, a clear cap, just in case if you happen to lose this cap. You can also notice that it has like a locking mechanism, so that way once the cap is locked, and if you're traveling or whatever, then you can you can rest assured that this won't pump out because it has that locking mechanism. And of course, you can also notice that it's also a pump. That way, it feels very sanitary and clean. Now, let me show you what the product looks like. Alright, so it's just a nice white creamy product. And of course, with like products like this, you can't really tell the benefits of it until you keep on using it. So, I mean, so far I have nothing bad to say about it. It works well. I had no breakouts, you know, or any like skin irritation or rashes. So, I guess in that sense, it is definitely, you know, working well for me. Oh, and that's what it looks like once I kind of rubbed it in my skin. All right, so there you go. And, oh, and of course, I can't just leave this video without telling you guys that there is a $5 coupon code. I mean, $5 off coupon code. Come on, guys. So, if you want to try out and make your own little MixEasy formula, go ahead and go to MixEasy.com, which, by the way, all information will be listed and linked down below in the description box. So go ahead, scroll down and, you know, drop down that description box and you'll see all the information. However, it is MixEasy.com and the coupon code is called Fresh5 and it's in all caps, Fresh5, $5 off. You can't beat that, guys. $5 off, okay? $5 off. Alright, so coupon code Fresh5 on the screen down below in the description box. And that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, this was a quick video, and if you are curious about what these specific ingredients do for my skin, then of course I will be talking about that later. Turn on that notification bell, click subscribe, join the Kwak fam, and that is pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I have to skedaddle out of here because it is time for me to go to work. Alright, so I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!